And now I'd like to invite Mr. Siddharth Jain, Managing Director of INOX Products, to share his vision behind this transformative project.
Thank you. Honorable Minister of Heavy Industries and Steel, Shri Kumaraswamy Ji. Honorable Minister of State for Heavy Industries and Steel, Shri Bhupati Raju Srinivas Verma Ji. Honorable Chairman of Steel Authority of India, Shri Amrendra Prakash Ji. Director in charge Bokaro Steel Plant, Shri B.K. Tiwari Ji. Dignitaries from Government of India and SAIL, representatives from our partner companies and our very own INOXAP team. I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you. It is a matter of immense pride and privilege to stand before all of you today and welcome you for the inauguration of our largest ever air separation unit by the hands of none other than our country's Heavy Industry and Steel Minister, Shri Kumaraswamy Ji. Honorable Minister, your vision to harness innovation and research showcases your zeal to make India's manufacturing sector the global center stage of the future. I would like to mention that your foresight and direction shall prove to be the key ingredient of India's Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. I am proud to share this ASU marks a significant milestone as our third plant dedicated to Steel Authority of India, further cementing our partnership with one of India's most iconic steel makers. Our first ASU was started in Bokaro, right nearby, in 2006, and our second ASU was started in Salem Steel Plant in 2010, and our third ASU is now in 2025. Collectively, through all three ASUs, we proudly supply more than 6,500 tons per day of gases. We are committed to stand with SAIL in its journey as it doubles its capacity from 25 million tons to 50 million tons. Sir, you have famously said, from skyscrapers to highways, railways to defense, steel powers our progress and fuels our country's ambitions. This reflects your trust and belief in the steel industry's potential to drive India's growth story. I proudly take this opportunity to share that we have been servicing the gas needs of the steel industry for more than 6 decades now. Through more than 18 plants, we supply more than 20,000 tons a day of gases to the steel industry, which we will be increasing by another 50% to 30,000 tons per day. So there's a famous saying which goes, where there's steel, there's strength. Where there is strength, there is progress. So thanks to our commitment to nation building, this phrase should soon be rewritten as, where there's steel, there's INOX. Where there's INOX, there's strength and progress. Our journey has been fueled by our commitment to innovation, reliability, and excellence. Kumaraswamy Ji, today India's per capita consumption of steel is 90 kgs compared to a global average of 190 kgs. This number points towards a tremendous headroom for the steel industry. In the process of increasing our manufacturing capabilities, we are also committed to sustainability. We are fully prepared, sir, to enable the steel industry to reduce its carbon footprint with the integration of hydrogen in its manufacturing process. I would like to take this opportunity to assure you that our team will stand with SAIL and other large-scale manufacturers in the quest to make Atmanirbhar in steel. We have all the know-how, expertise, and intent to make India a front-runner globally in green steel manufacturing. Towards the end, I would like to extend my immense gratitude to Shri Amrendra Prakash Ji. Sir, we deeply value the trust and collaboration SAIL has placed in us over the years. Your faith in our capabilities has been driving us to do better. Sir, this contract was signed by you in 2022. I remember it was March 22. And now we are, while you were director in charge of Bokaro Steel Plant. And we are extremely honored and glad that today you are chairman of Steel Authority of India and you are here to help us commission this plant. So together we are not only fueling India's industrial aspirations, but also contributing to critical sectors that rely on steel. This partnership is a shining example of how public and private sector companies can come together to drive meaningful impact and national progress. Sir, this plant will reduce the cost of production of steel as well and make it more economical in the long run. Let us continue to build a brighter, stronger future together with the resolve of steel. As I end my speech, I would like to present to you a virtual tour, sir, of the state-of-the-art unit.